Understand string immutability. In JavaScript, string values are immutable, which means that they cannot be altered once created. For example, the following code: while my string equals Bob, my string, you choose the first character, J. Cannot change the value of my string to job because the contents of my string cannot be altered. Note that this does not mean that my string or my str, whatever you want to call it, cannot be changed. Just that the individual characters of a string literal cannot be changed. The only way to change my string could be to assign it with a new string like this. Okay, so you can't do no shortcuts basically. If you wanted to change one letter within a string, you wouldn't be able to do it like that. So it says correct the assignment to my string so it contains the string value of hello world using the approach shown in the example above. So let's see, setup. Only change the code below this line. So it says my string is h, change this line. So I have to change this line. You would have to reassign it, right? So you would have to get rid of this 0 thing, and you would have to say hello world. Just reassign it. Run test. Cool.